day 101. I just woke up, if you can't tell. I get to lay in my tent and get to watch the sunrise. Had some big mountains in the way. We're going over them today. It's pretty neat to look at them with the sun behind them. Sometime in the middle of the night, the wind really picked up. Hyperlight's done amazing. I slept all night with that panel open. The wind is getting buffered by the hill there. I'm right on top of a hill, and the wind's coming up over the hill, and a lot of it's getting buffered over the hyperlight, but a lot of it's hitting it too. It did really well. It's cool this morning. It's not cold, but it's cool. And I get all warm in the sleeping bag, and then the wind, coming right in and everything. You get out of the sleeping bag, you're like, well, I want to get back in the sleeping bag. I woke up like once or twice, but normally I wake up 3 or 4 times in the middle of the night. But I slept good. I'm on vapors for battery power. I got 3 more days out here. I got today, tomorrow, and the next day. I'm on really low power, so the videos and the photos are going to get pretty short. I got to have enough power to power the Garmin. I want to make sure that it has power. And my phone. My night core is down to 1 light, 1 little bulb left. And my INU battery bank is down to, it's got 20% in it. So it's not a lot of power for 3 days. For 3 days, it's not a lot of power. So yeah, I'm gonna be stretching the old power. Anyway, sunrise. It's beautiful out here. It's just beautiful. All picked up. Tent was right in there. It's windy. I don't know how this is coming out on the audio. I had a nice fire last night. Fire pit, it's all out. Made sure it was all out. I had a nice bear bag hang up in there. That tree was perfect bear bag hang. I like it to be a little further away than my campsite, but it was just a perfect hang, so I went with it. I got an agenda today. I'm not going to say what it is though, but I have an agenda, and we're going to do it. I got to get my trekking poles before I forget them. I never forget them because I always use them, but yeah, let's do it. Let's get to stepping. It's 9 o'clock. That's early for me. That's early. I got a great night's sleep, if you can tell. See my beauty face? My beauty face earlier wasn't so beautiful, but I just pounded down a bunch of calories. Yeah, let's go do something fun today. All right. Oh boy, guess what I found? Greasy Creek Gap. You know what comes next? Yes, you do. Up. There's gonna be a lot of up today. A lot of up. Greasy Creek. I'm feeling pretty greasy. Elevation 4,031 feet. Whoo. We're up here even in this gap, but I guarantee you we going up. Nice campsite right there, Greasy Creek Gap. I think there may be no, there's no water. There's a nice campsite right here. You can fit 5, 6 tents in there. It's a nice place. Oh, I thought the trail went this way. But the trail goes this way. And that is down. That is interesting. That is the second gap. I can't remember the name of the first one. I did record it. It was with my sister. This is actually the second gap that went down after the gap. That is intriguing. I'm not going to complain. Whoop, whoop. Score 1 for us. It made me out to be a liar. There is a lot of up coming today. Just not right now. All right, yeah, and you'll see like where the trail's mushed off over there. This is just a really simple example. But then you see where there's roots and stuff here. I've gone to stepping on the roots because it's so much nicer than stepping on that blown out trail with my foot cocked off to the side. Normally I can find good footing in the root system to the right without tipping my foot off the side of the mountain. And the root system is where the trail used to be, and people have moshed the trail, like right here. See, they've moshed that trail right off to the side. But I'll step here on this rock, here on this log, and I'll step up here in these roots where the trail used to be, and I actually find better footing. Because where the trail's been blown out by people walking off the trail and got it all catered down over, just is so painful. Not painful, I say painful quickly. It's just wears on your foot. You know, walking with your foot cocked off to the side is not a normal thing, and we don't build the muscles for that in our everyday life because our foot's never like that. We walk on all these pristine surfaces in our houses, on walkways, in office buildings. We never walk with our foot tipped over, so you never develop those muscles. But let me tell you, they get developed out here. Yeah, you learn about them pretty quick, that there's actually muscles in your foot that control that angle and deal with that situation. And those muscles scream, stop it, don't make me work this way, what are you doing to me, I can't take it. That's what the muscles are saying. It's true story. Come out here, you'll know what I mean. Real quick order. And that's another thing, like, had anyone told me about these kind of things in YouTube videos, there are exercises you can do to strengthen those muscles. And foot training and foot strengthening, I think, is probably one of the most underlooked training in everything. There are muscles in your foot and in your ankle that you can strengthen through exercise, and very few people do it or talk about it. And if I was to change one thing, training for the trail, I would have learned everything I could about the foot, muscles, ankles, and how to strengthen those muscles. I would have exercised them and made them stronger. So that's my share for the day. If you guys are planning and training for the trail, figure out feet, figure out foot muscles, and exercise them, because you can exercise them. There are ways. Walking on a treadmill, hiking on a flat road is not going to strengthen your feet for the beating they're going to take out here. And I mean beating. Your feet get tore up out here. Yep. Hope that helps. Anyone watching these videos, if you actually listen to my mumbling, I do my best to share helpful information. I hope it helps. Just want to show you this meadow of grass amongst these trees. Going up. Been going up for a minute now. More than a minute. Stepping. Getting it done. Getting it done. Look at that. What a beautiful day. Oh. Right here, if you can see it, like, look at the mountains, like they just ripple like an ocean, and all the mountaintops like an ocean of mountains, just like waves, like cresting. You see so far out and back today. Today is so clear. I'll try to get a mountain pic of that. See what those are way out and back. I'm curious. Maybe it's something we've come over. I don't know. A gap, a road. I don't see any trail magic. I was hoping for some trail magic. I really wasn't, just joking. I don't expect trail magic. I'm too far behind the bubble. Nobody gives trail magic to the one. Out here stepping along. Guess what I found? Up. This is gonna be epic, epically painful. Let's do this. This is gonna be a climb. That lady back there said 7 miles of up. 7. Whoop whoop. I'm gonna feel the burn after this. That's for sure. Still going up. Far out says we got 4 miles. 4 miles to go. I don't think that lady was right with the 7, but I'll find out later today. I'll check it out on the map. Remember, I don't do the whole map thing because of my elephant. So I just have a rough idea. But I have an agenda today, and we're doing it. Doing it! 4 miles. We got this. We got this. Just got some water, feeling good. Not cameling up. I'm officially at the rubber leg stage, and this trail is way overgrown. I almost feel like I'm not on the trail. Pack's off break somewhere near the summit. I don't know. The trees have gotten a lot shorter. My legs are on fire. They're just burning. I don't know what that is, but it's a hill. It's been nice switchbacks overall. It's been really overgrown. A lot of brush catching the trekking poles. My shoulders and my arms are throbbing. My ankle's sore. It's not hurting, but it's sore. You can feel it. I've been trying to use my left leg a little bit more because my right leg, I've been overusing it. So I've been engaging the left leg, but I haven't got a crazy view, but it's just pretty up in here. All the trees. And I got this cool rock. This really cool rock behind me. And there is a view over here. I could look down into the valley, but not sure. But we'll sit here, have a snack, and hydrate and stretch. So after I have my snack and hydrate, I stretch, and then we'll get to stepping, finish this off. But I just need a break. in a pine forest. Still going up. Up, up, up. Yeah, buddy. Going up through something. Yeah. Digging. Hey Connie, where are them ridges I walk on all day? Can you let me know where those are? I want one right about now. Well, first time on trail, I have to switch to my alternate ego. I knew I'd have to from time to time, but it definitely happened right then, and it's still happening. This mountain will not surrender. Nor will I. I will not surrender. So the Hulk has come online to give me the strength to get over this mountain. True story. There's been some tough climbs on this hike. This mountain is not tough in the sense of scrambles and all that, but it is unrelenting. Okay. There's a blaze, there's a trail there, there's a trail there, and there's a trail there. And no other blazes. I'll continue to go up. I guess, I'm guessing here. Blaze. Well, this is it. This was the agenda. Roan Mountain High Knob Shelter, the highest shelter on the Appalachian Trail. And we did it! I am honestly beat. I am beat. But we're here. And I don't know if I'm staying here, in here, tenting, but I plan on staying up here tonight. But I need to get some water and assess the weather. I thought there was going to be a lot greater views. I don't know if I'm missing something, but I don't know of any views. So I'll try to figure that out after I get water. I don't know if the GoPro will even film in here. This is creepy. There's an upstairs. Whew. Yeah. This sucker has some history. Water. Yes. Please. Getting water. Coming out of this little pipe right here. This water is like coming off a glacier itself. It is ice cold. I mean, I don't know how it's that cold. It is freezing. It's pretty neat. There's the pitch here in the woods. The shelter is down in there. There's already 3 people, and they said there's more coming. There's enough. You could cram 15, 18 people in that shelter, but I want nothing to do with it. Sorry. It's gonna be cold tonight. It's already 53 degrees. It's 53 degrees. I'm running around in this, and they're all bundled up in puffies and hats, and I'm running around in this. I'll admit it's a little cool, but I'm not cold. Getting there, but I'm gonna start a fire again. But yeah, so this is it. This is the end of the day. I apologize, no views. I was talking with them. I guess the views are a little further out, and I'm done. This is as far as I can go today. So I hope you like the footage. It was still an amazing trail. The hike up in here is legit. This is, I think I'm at 6,400 feet above sea level. 6,400 feet. I am so proud and amped to be able to do that with a full pack, 3 days of food still in my pack. I had water. I drank a lot of it. I was empty when I got here. I drank all of it, just sweating through it. But I'm so excited to be able to do a hike like this. I can't even emphasize, like I've never done the White Mountains because I've never been in shape enough to tackle the mountains. And I know that the Whites are harder than this. I know. But this was still an epic climb, and I did it. And it feels good. It feels really, really good. And so now I'm going to have some food. The food I chowed down on all day today, I melted that. I burnt that up in the old furnace. So I'm going to put some more in because I am hungry. See ya.